Hello, welcome to my domain. You have just reached me, the one and only Peekaboo. And this little person, or pet you may say, right on top of my head is my mascot, and her name is Peeka. As I was coming home today from work, I happened to see that Peeka just flew on top of my head. And my dog Diamond just pooped because evidently nobody took her out. So I proceeded to take my dog Diamond out, and Peeka just happened to be flying in the hallway. I said, "Come, Peeka, come!" And she flew back on me, and I took her back inside the house. Anyway, I took my dog out. She did her necessity up there, came back in. Peeka's under my bed acting like she ain't got no sense. So, say hello to her. Let's see what happens. Hi, Peeka. Say hello. Peeka. Peeka, say hello. Hello, Peeka. Say hello. Say hello to the camera, baby. Say hello. Ain't she popular? Where are you going? Calm down. Say hello to the camera, baby. I love my baby. Let's see. Get on the bed. Calm. Come, Peeka, come. Woohoo! Anyway. Now, how I can get her off of me so I can take a shower. Let's see what happens. Stay tuned for the 411. Bye-bye.